Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all doing fine amidst the COVID-19. Today we are going to practice cursive handwriting. Why do we practice cursive handwriting? To have a neater and faster handwriting. Let's get into the topic. Now we are going to see the topic strokes in the cursive handwriting. What are strokes? Strokes are like basic structures for forming an alphabet. You get the children? They are basic structures to form an alphabet. What we are going to see now? We are going to see about strokes. Do you remember children any common strokes we have studied in the previous years? Yes, slants are one of the basic strokes. You get the children? Slants are one of the basic strokes. How to draw a slant? To draw a slant, you have to from the top line to the base line. We have to draw a slanted line like this. How? From top line we have to start and go to the bottom like this direction. From top line to the base line. From top line to the base line, a slanted line. This is called a slant. And another type of slant is from the midline to the baseline, from the midline to the baseline like this. These are also slants. Similarly, next stroke we are going to discuss is overcurve. How to draw overcurve? From the baseline, this is the baseline. From the baseline we have to take it to the top line or middle line. Okay, like this. See children, like this. We have to trace like this. Smaller overcurves like this, from the baseline to the midline like this. I want you children to remember this. Next, undercurve children. Next, undercurve. Undercurve is we have to take it from the under, like from the baseline we have to take it to the top line. Okay, like this. Undercurves are like this. Smaller undercurves from the baseline to the midline. These are smaller undercurves, so they are undercurves. Next we are going to see is down curve. Next we are going to see is down curve. How is the down curve drawn? From the top line. That means from the top line we have to draw to the base line like this. You get the direction children? From the top we have to start. From the top line to the base line. From the top line to the base line. Or we have to draw from the middle line to the base line like this. These are also down curves. Like this, like this, like these are down curves are drawn. Next we are going to see is loops. How to draw loop? Like this. Simple children, see here. See, this is one loop. Another loop here. Another loop. And another loop. Smaller loops. Get what's a children, you get what is a loop? Yes, these are loops. These type of structures are loops. Next, connecting the connecting the alphabets with under curve and over curve. With under curve like this, with over curve like this. We have to connect the alphabets with under curves like this and over curve like this. Take it like this, come again, join with under curve like this. You can see the under curve, children. See, we're taking the under curve, doing a loop, coming back with a slant, under curve, loop, slant, another loop, another under curve. You see, children, this is how you connect with the under curve. With the over curve, see, coming here, over curve, down curve, under curve, over curve, down curve, over curve, down curve, over curve, down curve, over curve. This is how you join, children, with over curve like this. In your previous years, you would have practiced like this a lot. This year we are going to practice sentences. This year we are going to practice not only words, this year we are going to practice sentences. We'll start with a quick recall of alphabets, small and capital. Children, now we'll discuss small letters of English. A. How we are starting A? We are starting with a over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, under curve. Get that, children? For B, under curve, loop, slant, under curve, and a cross like this. C, over curve, come back again, down curve, and under curve. D, similar to A, undo a loop and come back again and give a small tail. E, like this, children, go like this, again like this. F, from the baseline, start, go to the midline, get back with a loop, with the straight line down to the baseline, come again with another loop and leave a tail like this. G, like from the baseline, like A, come with a straight line to the bottom line and do a loop and get back again to the midline. H, from the baseline, under loop, again over curve, slant, under curve. I, simple, dot. J, like this, children, straight line, a loop, completed, and a dot. J. You get the, children? K is also simple. From the baseline, go to the top, come back with a loop, straight line, go to the middle line, go do horizontal loop and give a tail like this. L, simple. M, from the baseline, like this, like this, like this, similar to M. N, like this. O, over curve, down curve, under curve, complete it and give a tail like this. For P, similar, line, come again up and complete it like this. Q like A, but drag it down to the bottom and give a line like this. For R, under curve, small knot, come horizontally like this, again another curve. Yes, like this children. T, simple with a loop, come back and a sleeping line. U, simple children, you get that? V, starting from the baseline, go to the midline, come back again, do two slanted lines and give a cross. And W, like this, under curve, slant, under curve, slant, under curve and a cross. X, go to the midline, come back like reverted X, C and go back again like this. X, Y, like this children. How Y is drawn? Under curve, slant, under curve, slant, loop and end it. Z also similar to the loop, we are ending it. You get the children? Small alphabets. Coming to the capital letters. A is simple, from the baseline, slanted line to the top, the straight line to the base and do a loop like this. B, from the top line come to the baseline, the loop, go back again, two circles, one to the mid and another to the bottom like this. C, the curl, end it like this. D, straight line from the top line to the base line, one knot and a curve like this and end it like this. E, just under the top line, make small knot like this, middle line and again the base line, end it like this. F, start just below the top line and do a curl like this, straight line to the base, curve and a sleeping line. And for G, from the baseline, do a loop to the top line, come back again, go to the middle line, come back to the bottom line, do a loop and get to the middle line. That is G. For H, make a knot, come to the baseline, leave a tail and parallel line. Now make like this. I, simple children, this is I. J, the extension of I only, draw like I but make a loop. You get that children? That is J. Coming to K, draw like this and one curve to the top and one curve to the base from the mid. And for L, make a knot, come down, another make a knot and leave a curve like this. For M, take to the top line, come back to the base line, again to the top line, again to the base line, leave a tail. For N, similar to M, top line, base line, top line, tail. O, end it like this, children. P. From the just below the top line, one line to the base line, come again up, make a loop and one circle. This is P. Q. Draw oval and leave a tail. R. Just below the top line, bring it to the base line, again back to the top line, first circle and leave a curve like this, children. That is R. And S. This is S. And T is similar to F without a sleeping line. STU. U is a bigger version of smaller u, just that, children. You get that? V is also like that, bigger version of small v. W we take like this, and similar to small we are giving a cross. X, we have to go like this, from left again come like this, complete the X. You get the X, children. Now Y. Y we have to make it like this, come to the base again and make a loop and get back to the middle line. Z, top just below the top line, started and end with the curve. You get the capital letter, children. I hope you understood that. With this recall of capital, small letters and strokes, we complete the first part of the cursive letters. From next class onwards, we'll start doing book exercise for the cursive handwriting class.